guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm actually unboxing my new solar. Check it out. So I saw this solar fan on Jumia and I was like, solar fan, rechargeable solar fan, table fan. I said, okay, let me try it out, let me see how it looks like. So this is the solar. Actually, I won't even lie, I was thinking that this thing was going to look bigger than this, or is something that, well, let me not say anything yet because I've not used it, right? But this is basically the solar, and it comes with this very long wire. So wherever you decide to put your solar, maybe on a, I don't know, on the roof or something, you'll be able to connect it to the fan. Okay, and then we have, so this fan actually comes not coupled, so you'll be the one to couple it yourself. So I want to couple it myself and see how it goes. So this is like the base, and then I actually love coupling things together, so I want to really see how this is going to turn out. Okay, so we also have this, which is like the fan, the blade, and the neck. Okay, so let's see how this process is gonna go. I'm excited. I don't know, I always like coupling things together. It makes me so excited. Yeah. So yes, we have the blade. This one I work cool. Now serious work cool, but no problem. I actually do enjoy doing this, so we'll see how it goes. Okay, so let's see, how is this supposed to fit in? Okay, anyway, let's start. So there's actually a manual, right? A simple manual that shows you how to go about it. So let's see. Ah! Yes, it also comes with 2 bulbs, which is supposed to be light bulbs that you would use. This is cool. There are different wires. So this is for this and this is for this. Interesting. And then we have the plug for if you want to connect it directly to NEPA lights. Okay, and then we have the neck. We have this as well. I don't know what this is, but I'm sure I'll get to it, because I remember buying a big rechargeable fan when I was pregnant, when heat wanted to kill me. I coupled this myself while pregnant, so I don't think this should be easy breezy. And then we have this, and then we have the tools. Wow, the tools even come with a little screwdriver. So sounds exciting. So it comes with screwdriver, a small screwdriver, and the bolts. Okay, so I guess it's time to start. Okay, take the connector through stud and fix stud to bottom base as picture 1. Here's picture 1. Okay, so it looks like this one is going to be the first. From what I can see, this looks like it's going to be the first. So from picture 1, take the connector through the stud and fix to the bottom. Okay, so I need to connect this to this. Ooh, see my excitement. Okay, now. Okay, so this is it. Let me try to make you guys see what I'm doing. this. So I'm supposed to connect this and this together. So let's do that. Okay, so they are both connected now, and then I will now connect this. Yay! Part one done. Part one done. Guys, forget how they connect things. Okay, so the next thing is connect the battery line. Please see how to change the battery for reference. Okay, how to change the battery. Okay. Using the fixing screw on the battery cover. Okay, so this is where the egg baby. See me shouting though that everything is connected. Okay, let me come back to this one. Let me first of all fix this battery. So it says, please connect the battery first. But which one is the battery? I think the battery has been connected. So there's nothing like battery here. Or is there anything left in the carton? No. I think the battery has been connected. I think the battery has been connected. Number 9 is battery. I don't see anything that looks like a battery. I think the battery has been connected already inside this. So I just need to just go ahead with the other steps. That's it. Okay. So let's go again. Okay, so let's go again. So after, fix all parts in picture 3. Put the knob of the blades must be fixed anti-clockwise as shown in picture 4. Okay. Guys, this is not an easy job, but we move. So I'm expected to put the back blade first. I think this is the back blade. Yep. Or is this the front? This should be the back blade. Back cover. So guys, I was looking for this thing because apparently that's what I'm supposed to use to connect it here. But it was here. I saw it here. I just figured out this was what I've been looking for since. So I just figured it out and I brought it out. So now the question now is that which of these two is the front? Which one is the front? Which one is the back? It's kind of confusing. But it looks like this is the one that is the back. So I think this is the back. So I put it in, and then that thing that I was looking for a very long time, now I can use it to kind of clip it together. Don't play with me. Don't play with me. Me? Yay, we're making progress in it. And you must be able to fix it properly so that there will be an issue later. So I'm just going to tighten that very well. And then next up is the blade. So I put the blade. So I think it's tight enough, but let me double check. I cannot shout. So next up is the blade. And then you have, it looks very easy to couple together. Yay! Next up, you have this. And you just, my fan is already funny. I mean, is there supposed to be something before this? I'm wondering what all the screws are for. What are all the screws for? Because I've not seen the use of that screw like this one. Let me check on, so that's, I'm not just doing things just now. After that is blade, after that is this one. I'm right. Yeah. Girl, you don't know how beautiful you are. Well, look at you and I see the stars. Why is it not winning? Wait, I cannot have come this far. I can never go back home. It's already too late though. It won't make sense. So what are all these clothes for? What are all these clothes for? Is there anything that is useful for this place? Nope, it's not for it. Why did I even bring out this thing like this? I'm just checking to see whether there's a possibility that let's not just be like I'm assembling something and there's something I'm supposed to use all these things for. Let me see that way. And so this one is just supposed to close it up. Isn't this something that I want to stress my leg? Henry. I thought that's very bad. It looks like it had a wish I would have it easier. There it goes. Ooh. Yeah, getting them. What is wrong with this thing, oh? Okay, let's see. Losing, tighten. Oh, I think I've been doing it the wrong way. It's actually this way. Oh my god. I've been doing it the wrong way, guys. I've been doing it the wrong way. That's why it's good to just check. Just check. Because I've been doing the wrong thing. I've been doing it this way. I was doing it this way instead of this way. Who would have thought? Because most times when you tighten stuff, you tighten it to the right, not to the left. So apparently you tighten this one to the finally, you guys. It's coming together. Okay, so next step is this. Hey, Bami. No, I think it's supposed to be like this. Okay, I think this is where we need the screw. I think this is where we need the screw. You know what, guys? I think I first of all need to know where this is supposed to fit in. Where? I think this might be the best approach. It's not this. Is it this? No. Is it this? Okay, I think it's this one. Homo, this thing is not easy. Yep, I got it. It's this tiny one. When I told you guys I love fixing things, you guys don't understand. I love fixing things, coupling things together. So you can see, I was able to fix this thing. So I just need to tighten it. And then we are good to go. I hope I'm making you guys proud, dude. Okay, so next up is this one. Yay, second to the last. Because it has to be in the first place so that this second one will be able to fit in. Okay, yeah. Don't blame it me. Don't blame it me. Don't blame it me. I feel like this thing is not tight enough. This screw. I feel like it's not tight enough. So let me see if there's a way to tighten it more than this. Or if not, I'll just leave it as long as it works. Okay, so looks like we made it. Forget. I'm proud of myself. So this is the final piece, which kind of has the brand name. It will. Okay, it's sideways. Why is it sideways? So I can open it. So, yeah! Clap for me. I'm proud of myself. Yeah! Clap for me. I'm proud of myself. Like, you guys don't even understand. This is always like a challenge for me. I always love to just get something done and do it myself. DIY. Do it yourself. So everything is set. I think these screws are just for later. These screws I only used 2 of them, so I think it's mainly for like if any screw on the fan gets bad or something like that. So it is time to actually test the fan to be sure that it is working. So guys, fingers crossed, let's test our fan. So this is the cord. Those people that always say that when you have nails you cannot do anything. I find it hard to believe, because see how long my nails are, and it did not stop my shine. So where are we plugging this? Let's try to locate the, yes, here. Guys, I'm afraid. I'm afraid. Where's the? Guys, I'm afraid. Oh my guys, our fan did not work. God, I beg you. What did we do wrong now? Why is the fan not working? Pull up. Let me put it up first. So why is it not working now? Guys, wait though. Let me check that. So guys, I realized that this wire, I had to open the battery part, and I realized that the wire, this red wire, was not plugged. So I think that was why it wasn't working. So I'm gonna plug it. I've plugged it now, and I'm going to close the battery space and try to turn on the fan again, because I think here it says that the red wire needs to be plugged into the positive end of the battery to turn on the power. So that's my guess. My guess is that that's why it did not work. So now that we have done that, where are my screws? Okay. So guys, now I have screwed the bed light. I'm afraid. I can't even lie. I'm afraid. Well, let's see whether it would work. Good. Let me run away. Guys, it worked. It worked. So I'm just going to leave it this way so that it can charge. As you can see, the red light shows that it's charging, right? And if I want to use the solar, let me just check that the bulbs are working, because I know you guys saw the bulbs now. So let's see whether the bulbs actually work. So if we connect the bulbs, it has even turned on. It has turned on full charge. As you can see, it's now green. So let's power it on and see if it works. Okay, so this is for the lights. Oh, that's the LED light. Oh, the fan. Actually, guys, the fan actually has its own LED lights. Can you see? It has its own LED lights. Oh, it's not bad at all. Okay, that makes a lot of sense. Okay, so you can reduce it as you deem fit. But then this bulb, this bulb lights. So I've plugged the bulb now. So let's see if it works. Oh, it works. That's the first bulb. Let's check the second bulb. I'm liking this product too, guys. It makes a lot of sense, right? It makes too much sense. So let's try the second one. And guys, what else do you want? Better go and buy this This bubble, wow, it makes a lot of sense. Like, I just hope the cords are long enough. And then you also have somewhere where you could charge your phone. Like there's a, what do they call it? I think I have my phone here, right? So let me see if it charges. So there's a USB cord that you can use to charge your phone. So let me just test it. Guys, with this one you don't need NEPA light too. Now the only prayer now is, see, so I'm going to use it to charge my phone, and let's see if it works. I think it works, guys. This is amazing. This is an amazing product. It's an amazing product. And when I wanted to buy it here, I saw online where people were saying, some people were saying, that is hard to fix, so they should have assembled it before sending it over. I think it just requires patience. Less than, I don't think I spent 1 hour on this video now explaining how it works, and you guys can see that it works. So this is actually amazing. So I bought this thing just 40,000 naira. 40k, 40,000 naira gives me the fan, gives me the bulbs, the 2 bulbs I can use when there's no lights, gives me the solar. In case there's no light, I can always charge it with the solar. There's a port for solar. Also gives me the LED lights, which you can reduce. And what else do you want? And then the fan. We've not even tested the fan. Let's test the fan. Yeah, the fan works. Guys, the fan works. So you can increase it as you want. And you see, you can increase it higher now. Guys, this is an amazing product. China, you guys are too much. Always thinking ahead. Guys, China is always thinking ahead. But this is an amazing product. So just go to Jumia. I'm not an ambassador for Jumia, please. But basically, I bought it from Jumia. And this is the pack once again. It's called Miratech. Okay. I will come back to gist you guys about how the solar works. If the solar actually works well, I'll come back and gist you guys about it. But in the meantime, I will just try and plug it. The wire is very long, guys. Look at how long the wire is. So from your room, however, I'm sure you can even face it to like a window or something for sun to just be hitting the panel, right? And just plug it to your fan, let it be charging. As long as it's fully charged, I'm sure it will work well. So thank you guys for watching. This is my first DIY video and I hope you guys love it. Thanks for watching. Bye.